Hi, this is Kathy, and we're going to go over how to create a new sales invoice. From the top menu, go to Invoices, New Invoice. Select the date for which the invoice is to be issued. Please note this date will be used for aging the invoice. Choose the customer from the drop-down list of active customers. Enter the customer's purchase order number related to the invoice if applicable. You can also enter your company's internal reference number. Select the payment terms that will apply for this particular invoice. Select the currency in which the invoice must be paid. The default will be your company's base currency. The payment terms and the currency fields will be populated automatically based off of the customer file when you select the customer from the drop-down list. You can change either of these fields if you need to. You can also enter a message to be displayed on the invoice like, "Thanks for the business." When you're finished, click the Create Invoice button. This will then create the invoice with an automatically assigned invoice number and allow you to begin entering its line items. So for the line items, you can select the general ledger account to which you would like to post revenues for the invoice. The drop-down list will include all GL revenue accounts as well as an entry for customer deposits. If the invoice is related to a product, you can enter the product's part number. If a product is chosen, there is no need to pick a general ledger account in step 1. Complete the fields for each line item of the invoice. This must include the item description, either a quantity and unit cost, or the amount invoiced for the line item. Applicable taxes. You can link to shipments if you like. You can select an order shipment from the Link to Order Shipment drop-down list. Now this will contain only order shipments for which no invoice has yet been issued. When you select an order shipment, the invoice line item will automatically be populated with information from the corresponding sales order. You can edit the line items as necessary. Then click the Create Line Item button. You're going to repeat these steps until your invoice has all the required line items. Now, if you need to edit a line item after it's been created, you can click on the item number hyperlink to the left of the item. This will bring the item into the editing area. You can perform any required changes to the item. When finished, click the Update Line Item button. Click OK on the pop-up confirmation box that comes up. A valid invoice will contain a header and at least one line item. Once a valid invoice has been created, you will have the option of either posting or deleting the invoice. The relevant button will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. You can post or delete it at this point. If you wish to post the invoice and apply payment to it later, you can click Post. Alternatively, you can use the Post and Pay area to post the invoice and pay it in full in a single step. If you do want to post and pay, here's how you do that. Choose the date. The default is the invoice's date. Enter the payment reference number. This field must be unique. Most people would use the customer's check number. Choose the account to which you wish to receive payment. Then choose the payment method. Click on the Post and Receive Payment button. And that's how to create a new invoice. Make sure to check out our other Getting Started videos.